Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. Quant is, as it seems like, starting its C wave. I did give you yesterday and the day before this resistance here at between $117.57 and $124. Highlighted to you that we really can only confirm that the third wave to the upside here has started if price manages a breakout above $124, because until then we could just be dealing with a high B wave. Yeah, and it seems like we just created a B wave and we're coming down now in the C wave. The B wave was very weak. So the reason, or that is a bit problematic, because if the B wave is too weak, it may run out of space to the downside. And my comments remain that a third wave is reasonable. Yeah, to expect a third wave is reasonable as long as the price stays above $101.56. The way it goes now, it should ideally go certainly below the A wave low, and that's typically what a C wave does. And also what we can do, we can take the Fibonacci extension tool, we take the length of the A wave there, go to the high of the B wave, and then we're looking for ideally here either the 100% extension that would take us to $107 US, or, and that's the 1.618 extension, $100.35. Now that's just below the 101.56 level. Again, if it's not a sustained break below that support level, it would still be okay. But again, also here for QNT, my view remains, as long as we don't have a impulse to the upside, an impulsive reversal, we are now in a local downtrend. QNT managed to create only a lower high with this B wave top, and the general market is just selling off at the moment. Now we need to see how long this is carrying on, but we need to be careful everywhere in the crypto market at the moment. It's a very uncertain environment, and as long as we don't really have an impulse that shows us that these coins have bottomed, they are simply going to drop further. The news around Binance and so on and Coinbase, that certainly hasn't given, well, it certainly doesn't give a lot of trust at the moment, or at least it leads to some uncertainty in the market. I wouldn't overestimate all of that stuff, at least not in the short term, but in the very short term we see some fluctuations in the market. So we just need to be careful. I mean, be careful here with aping in or whatever, but it seems like we're coming down lower, and I will pay attention to this support area, one of these support levels that I indicated all the way down to 101.56. If we see any support there, it could indicate that the third wave is starting. If we drop below that level, then this attempt to the upside is not working out, and QNT failed to create an impulse. So the break below $101.56 is already a warning, and then it will likely break below the 96.60 level, which is the 26th of May low, and then eventually maybe indeed come into our larger support area here that starts at $94. But again, it is one of the few coins that could have bottomed already. For most coins, we are waiting for another low. QNT is I think with Solana, but that's suffering now as well, is I think with Solana, maybe a couple of others, the only coin where we actually track a potential trend reversal, but all the other ones pretty clearly still show further downside potential, which is playing out today basically. So let's keep an eye on that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.